Welcome to 816 Railroad Avenue, located in Fredericksburg, Virginia, listed by MacDoc Property Management. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. Let's take a look inside. When you walk into the living room. And just down one of these stairs, you have another living room area. Here's the dining room. And the kitchen. Just off of the dining room, you have bedroom number 1. We're going to head back through the living room to bedroom 2 and 3. Here's bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And the bathroom. If you would like more information on this property or any of our other properties, head on over to our website, www.macdocrentals.com. That's www.macdocrentals.com.